Losing out on understanding? Let's dive in. Hello there, English learners. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning of a commonly used English phrase, lose out. If you've ever wondered what people mean when they say this, you're in for a treat. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. The phrase, lose out, typically means to miss an opportunity or fail to gain or obtain something. It implies that someone else has gained that opportunity or advantage, and you haven't. It's often used to describe situations where there's a form of competition, whether that's in business, sports, or even personal life. Example, I lost out on the promotion because I didn't apply in time. If you don't buy the concert tickets soon, you might lose out. 1. Business and work. If you are passed over for a job promotion in favor of someone else, you lose out on that opportunity. 2. Shopping and deals. If there's a sale and you arrive late only to find that the item you wanted is sold out, you lose out on that deal. 3. Competitions and games. In sports or games, if you don't perform well or make a wrong decision, causing your team to be at a disadvantage, you could be said to lose out. Example, he lost out in the final round of the game show. While lose out is a versatile phrase, it's not always interchangeable with just lose. For instance, you wouldn't say, I lost out my keys. The correct phrase would be, I lost my keys. Similarly, it doesn't fit well in situations without an implication of a missed opportunity. Saying, I lost out the football match, doesn't sound as natural as saying, I lost the football match. So there you have it. Lose out is a wonderful phrase to describe missing out on opportunities. Remember, English is all about context, so pay attention to how phrases like these are used in real-life situations. We hope this video shed light on lose out for you. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.